Hey guys, my name is Jae and welcome to Jae Is Korean. This is part 3 of learning Korean through the drama It's Okay to Not Be Okay. As always, this video has zero spoilers, so none of the scenes or lines that I talk about will have anything to do with the plot. So let's get right into it.
수트 입으셨네요. 엄청 멋있어요.
너 앞으로 이거 입지 마.
왜?
별로야.
아, 그래?
앞으로 이거 입지 마.
앞으로 이거 입지 마.
앞으로 means from now on, from this point on. 이거, this. If I say 이것 좀 봐, it means look at this. This, 이거. 입지 마, 입지 마. Something plus 지마 means do not. 하지 마, don't do it. 보지 마, don't look. 가지 마, don't go. 입지 마, don't wear something. 먹지 마 is don't eat. So if I say 저 사과 먹지 마. 사과. I have no idea why this was on my table, but 사과. 이 사과 먹지 마. It means do not eat this apple. So 입지 마. 앞으로 이거 입지 마 means don't wear that from now on.
앞으로 이거 입지 마.
Don't wear this from now on. He says 왜?
왜?
And she answers back 별로야.
왜?
별로야.
별로. So she's saying what he's wearing right now is 별로. 별로 means it's not that great. It's not that great. It's not the best. It has negative connotations. Let me give you an example situation. So if your roommate who made you breakfast said 어때? How's the food? I said you could reply back 맛있어. But here, although it's offensive and impolite, if you wanted to be very honest with her and you're close enough with your roommate, you can say 별로야. It's not that great. Of course, you need to know that this is very negative. For example, your parents asked you 맛이 어때? And you said 별로야. It would be very offensive. But you could say it either as a joke or if you're actually intending to offend the person, feel free to say this. 별로야. So she said 앞으로 이거 입지 마. 왜? 별로야. Don't wear this from now on. Why? Because it doesn't look that great. Alright, so now I'm going to wrap it up for the day right here. You just learned a couple of phrases and expressions that you can easily use or hear in your daily lives. And if you haven't already noticed, this is a series, so there are more Learn Korean with It's Okay to Not Be Okay videos on my channel, so make sure you go check out the previous parts as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye bye!